Hello kids, we're going to do a quick review every morning while you guys are home. We're going to look at the alphabet and say all of its sounds together in both regular print and in cursive. So if you would say them with me, let's go ahead and begin. A, b, 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 k, 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 t, 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 e, 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 f, 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 g, 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 h, h, h. Are you with me? I, j, 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 k, 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 o, a, p, 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 qu, 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 s, 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 t, 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 a, v, 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 w, 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 x, 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 y, 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 z, z, z. Okay, in cursive. Is everybody with me? Let's do it together. A, b, 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 k, 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 d, 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 e, 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 f, 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 g, 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 h, 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 I, j, 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 k, 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 o, a, s, 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 t, 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 a, v, 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 w, 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 x, 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 y, 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 z, z, z. Now let's look at our vowels, our soft vowels and our long vowels. A, e, I, a. A, E, I, O, U. Same with me, really loud so everyone can hear. A, E, I, a. A, E, I, O, U. Short sounds, long sounds. Remember, if it has one vowel in a word, it is its short sound. If it has the long sound, it will have two vowels. The first one will say its name, and the second one is shh, silent. Let's look over at our coins. All right, you ready? Put your fingers up. Say it with me. Penny, 1 cent, nickel, 5 cents, dime, 10 cents, quarter, 25 cents. Do it again with me. Penny, 1 cent, nickel, 5 cents, dime, 10 cents, quarter, 25 cents. Did you do it? I hope you did. All right, let's look over at our number chart. See if I can point and do this at the same time. We're going to count by, let's count by 5s for starter, okay? I can't get the whole chart, but we'll try to get most of it, okay? 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, 65, 70, 75, 80, 85, 90, 95, 100. Remember, when you count by 5s, you're also counting by nickels. Because in nickels, we always count by 5s. All right? When we count pennies, we count by 1s. Remember? Let's count by 1s all the way to 20. Will you do that? Because we know how to count very far, but let's just count by 1s to 20 today. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Now do some popcorn with me. We'll do blast off and popcorn. Are you ready? Get all down. Here we go. I'm going to know that you're doing this. I bet you I can see you right now. Ready? Here we go. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Popcorn! Now let's do blast off. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Blast off! Good job. Let's do our counting by 10s. Remember, when we count dimes, we're counting by 10s. That's this whole row right here. Counting by dimes is counting by 10s. Let's try it. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. Let's count backwards with our tens. 100, 90, 80, 70, 60, 50, 40, 30, 20, 10. Boy, that's weird, isn't it? Let's try counting by quarters. Remember last week we talked about how to count by quarters, and I marked them in orange for you on my chart. Quarters is counting by 25s. So we're going to count by 25s. 25, 50, 75, 100. 25, 50, 75, 100. Do it one more time. 25, 50, 75, 100. That's counting by quarters. There's 4 quarters in a dollar. Quarters. All right, we're going to switch it up a little bit, and we're going to look at our addition cards. And you guys all know these very well. We're going to do them all together. I'm going to take a seat here on this desk, and we're going to try to do this all together. Are you ready? The ones family. Over in the meadow, in the sand and the sun, lived an old mother turtle and her little turtle one. Dig, said the mother. I dig, said the one. So he dug all day in the sand in the sun. 0 plus 1 equals 1. Choose family. Here we go. Are you with me? Over in the meadow where the oak tree grew lived an old mother owl and her little owls too. Week, said the mother. Wee, week, said the two. So they winked all day where the oak trees grew. 0 plus 2 equals 2. 1 plus 1 equals 2. 3 family. Say hello to Miss Otter. Here we go. Over in the meadow where the stream runs free lived an old mother otter and her little otters 3. Play, said the mother. We play, said the 3. So they played all day where the stream runs free. 0 plus 3 equals 3. 0 plus 1 equals 3. Did I say that right? I think I said it wrong. 2 plus 1 equals 3. Did you catch my mistake? I'm sure you did. 1 plus 2 equals 3. 4 family. Oh, look at the little mousey. Say it nice and loud. Over in the meadow by the old barn door lived an old mother field mouse and her little mousies 4. Nibble, said the mother. We nibble, said the 4. So they nibbled all day by the old barn door. 1 plus 3 equals 4. 3 plus 1 equals 4. 2 plus 2 equals 4. 0 plus 4 equals 4. Uh-oh, the 5 family. Over in the meadow in a snug beehive lived an old mother honeybee and her little honeys 5. Buzz, said the mother. We buzz, said the 5. So they buzzed all day in a snug beehive. 0 plus 5 equals 5. 1 plus 4 equals 5. 2 plus 3 equals 5. 3 plus 2 equals 5. And 4 plus 1 equals 5. Who's next? The crow family. 6 family. Over in the meadow in a nest built of sticks lived an old mother crow and her little crow 6. Caw, said the mother. We caw, said the 6. So they called all day in a nest built of sticks. 0 plus 6 equals 6. 1 plus 5 equals 6. 2 plus 4 equals 6. 3 plus 3 equals 6. 2 plus 4 equals 6. 5 plus 1 equals 6. Who's next? The 7s family. Over in the meadow on the green mossy logs lived an old mother froggy and her 7 little frogs. Jump, said the mother. We jump, said the frogs. So they jumped all day on the green mossy logs. 0 plus 7 equals 7. 1 plus 6 equals 7. 2 plus 5 equals 7. 3 plus 4 equals 7. 4 plus 3 equals 7. 5 plus 2 equals 7. And 6 plus 1 equals 7. The 8 family. Oops, we forgot her story. Over in the meadow by the old wooden gate lived an old mother rabbit and her little bunnies 8. Hop, said the mother wee. Hop, said the 8. So they hopped all day by the old wooden gate. 0 plus 8 equals 8. 1 plus 7 equals 8. 2 plus 6 equals 8. 3 plus 5 equals 8. 4 plus 4 equals 8. 5 plus 3 equals 8. 6 plus 2 equals 8. And 7 plus 1 equals 8. 9 family, we're almost done. Are you with me? Are you saying them? Because we can't learn if we don't say them, okay? Over in the meadow by the old Scotch pine lived an old mother duck and her little duckies 9. Quack, said the mother wee. Quack, said the 9. So they quacked all day by the old Scotch pine. 0 plus 9 equals 9. 1 plus 8 equals 9. 2 plus 7 equals 9. 3 plus 6 equals 9. 4 plus 5 equals 9. 5 plus 4 equals 9. 6 plus 3 equals 9. 7 plus 2 equals 9. And 8 plus 1 equals 9. Last person. The otter family, Miss Parris's favorite animal. Over in the meadow in a cozy wee den lived an old mother beaver and her little beavers 10. Beeve, said the mother, wee beeve, said the 10. So they beaved all day in a cozy wee den. 0 plus 10 equals 10. 1 plus 9 equals 10. 2 plus 8 equals 10. 3 plus 7 equals 10. 4 plus 6 equals 10. 5 plus 5 equals 10. 6 plus 4 equals 10. 7 plus 3 equals 10. 8 plus 2 equals 10. And 9 plus 1 equals 10. Good job, guys. You are doing good. Let's look at our months of the year. Say them with me. Can you clap while we say them? January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December. And while we're on this, let's say our days of the week. Are you ready? Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. Now let's look at that number chart one more time. Let's do a couple more things. Remember, even numbers are the numbers you use when you count by twos. Can you say that with me? Even numbers are the numbers you use when you count by, good job, twos. So here we go. We're going to count by twos, and we're going to count all the way to 50 today. By twos. Let me grab my better pointer for this. Here we go. Ready? 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20. Same with me. 22, 24, 26, 28. Change your voice. 30, 32, 34, 36, 38. 40, 42, 44, 46, 48. 50. Very good. Now I'm going to hold this way back so you can see the whole number chart. I think you can see the whole thing right now. I want you to point your finger on the screen when I call out a number. Are you ready? Okay. Find 13. Remember, teens have the 1 in front. 13. Okay. Now try another one for Mrs. Parris. The number 10. That's easy. How about the number 100? Oh, that's very, very easy, isn't it? How about 75? It's marked in orange. Did you find it? Good job. All right, how about the number 12? That seems to be a tricky one for us. Where's 12 on that number chart? All right, and where's number 11? 11. Okay, 17. Remember, a teen has a 1 in front. Now listen to my number. I'm going to give you a number that's a little trickier. Listen to the number you hear. 57. What do you hear first? Fifth. Sounds kind of like 5. 57. A 5 and a 7. 57. Do you see it? Point to it. Okay. Let's try another one. 71. 7. You hear 7 first. 71. Did you get it? Good. 93. What do you hear first? 93. Good job. Now, if you really want to make a good thing this week while you're off, you can put some numbers on the floor on pieces of paper. Just choose any numbers you want, stick them on the floor, and have someone else call out the numbers for you to jump on so that you start learning your numbers even quicker. Now, right above here, we have our chart. Okay, we're going to say these together. Are you ready? K in duck, E in me, O in go, I in fly, A in pray, st in stop, pull in plane, fur in frog. Did you do those all with me? Take a deep breath. All right, here we go. Tur in train. Whoops. Sh in ship, th in thick, th in this, bull in block, cool in clock, full in flake, gull in glue. Now that's not our only chart. We have 2 more charts to go. Let's put this on the desk, and that way we can see the other ones. All right, here we go. Here we go. Burr in bride, dur in drum, purr in pray, gur in grin, sn in smoke, sk in scat, sk in skate, sp in spade, cur in crab, twa in twins, spull in splash, spur in sprain, skr in scream, squat in squeak, sn in snack, soul in sleep, stir in stream, and sw in swim. But that's not all. One more chart. Are you doing them? If you're doing them, give yourself a pat on the back. Reach your hand way up, reach it way back, and pat yourself and say, good job, me. Are you ready to go? Thir in 3, R in stars, ch in church, or in morning, ow in out, ow in owl, O in bowl, in verse, in nurse, in bird, oi in coin, oi in boy, in book, oo in tooth, were in worms, I in night, all in ball, and awk in walk.